Hi, friends. Last week, Meta rolled out their new large language model, Llama 3 model with 8 billion and then 70 billion parameters, right? So after testing these models, I've been using these models for like the older models like past few months. And after testing these 8 billion parameter models, what I found is the performance is like comparable or if not superior to GPT-4. So that's why I'm interested in doing this video. Um, so in this video, what I'm going to show is how to download these models and how to run from your local computer in less than 5 minutes. It's very simple. Um, without internet connection, you don't need. So the benefit of this local setup is number one, independence. You don't need to depend on internet connection or GPT-4 or subscription or any of those things, right? And then the second thing is you won't need to rely on external services, right? So you don't need to worry about your sending all your information into the GPT models, and then those things will be misused later, right? So it has 3 steps I'm going to show here. Step 1, download Ollama. So Ollama is a software package that is needed to run large language models like LLM3 or Gemma or any of these models. So it's a command line application. So once you download it, I'll show you how to do that. And once you download the package, install the package, and then a couple of commands, you can start running your model and you can start asking any kind of questions. Okay. So let us start with the download. So if you go to the library, I'm going to share these models with share these links in the video URL in the video. So probably you can download it from there. So download the model first. So when you click on the download, you see like based on your machine, if you're on Linux, download the Linux version. If you're on Windows, Mac version. So right now I'm on Mac, so I download this Mac version. So once you download it, it's going to download it into your local machine, right? So so you get like a zip file. So unzip it, you get like a package file. So move the package file into applications folder. So once you move it, I'm not going to move this. I already have it here. And then double click on it, run it. It takes only 2-3 screens. It'll ask you a few questions, where to install and all that. So once you install it, you're ready to go. So I already installed it. So now go to the command line. So I'm going to open my command line prompt here. So I downloaded it, I installed it. Now it is time to run. So the commands to run is, so let us say I want to run Gemma model. So you need to know the model name. So you'll be able to find the model name here. Like if you see the models, you see the Llama 3, this is recently updated. And you have like a, which are Llama LM2, Mistral. So Gemma is from Google, right? So Google released it 13 days back. Code Gemma, command order. So there are like several models, like people are experimenting with different kinds of models, right? So you'll be able to use those models for free. So you just need to know the name of the model. So let's say, let's try with Gemma first. So once you run the command, first time it will download that. So just, you need internet connection to download it. Once you are downloaded it, then you never need any internet connection, right? So it's like that. So now I just downloaded and it ran. I mean, I downloaded it before, so it ran and then it is asking me what kind of question we can ask. So let us test this. So last week I went to my friend's house and my friend has a kid. He asked me a question. I didn't know the answer at the time. So his question was, what happens when you're sucked into a black hole? I don't know. Let us ask Gemma. What happens when you are sucked into a black hole? Right? So let's see what it is. So when you are sucked into a black hole, several things can happen. Extreme gravity, gravitational pull, blah, 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 blah. So it is doing a good job, I think. So let us ask a different question. Let's try to download another model. So I'm going to do Control C and Control D for ending it. Let us try 8 billion model. So when I start it, since I already downloaded it, it is taking time to load it into memory. So it's ready now. So let's say let's ask to write a Python function. Okay, write Python function to validate a domain name. Let's see. So here is a Python function to validate the domain. So import regex, validate domain name using the regex, right? And with hyphen, blah, blah, blah. So this is a simple regex function. Okay. So it is adding the test cases also. So let's see domain name is used or not. So it is downloading the DNS resolver. Perfect. And it checks the domain name existence, right? This is very nice. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show. So anybody can download this. They don't have to depend on GPT-4 or any other external large language models. Pretty much it can write anything. Right, perfect. Thank you. We'll see you again. I'll come up with a different trick. Thank you. Bye.